Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place.
Hi, I'm Juliet. Welcome back to my channel and welcome. If this is your first time, I normally share with you my resin art videos and some life hacks, and this time, and to see this and more, please subscribe and press the notification bell, as well as follow me on Instagram at Juliet Migwi Inspires, as well as TikTok. We're going to mix the resin right now. I wanted to show you this other big thing I got on Temu, so it's good to try but get something on Temu. I had looked for them over time on Amazon and I couldn't find them. I got these shields, these arm shields, and I've been using this one. For those who've watched my videos for a while, these ones that I made using cloth, and I made them double layered. You see what resin sometimes when it dries does. So you don't want this to be happening on your body, because resin might be able to, over time it's corroded this fabric. I'm glad that's not on my hand. This is my tip on how I protect myself when I'm using resin. I wear a set of gloves, and then I wear this shield, arm shield, that I got from Temu. And then I wear another pair, and I could just do with one, but let me show you why I use two. I wear another pair over this, and it doesn't impede my work. Okay, taking time. So what happens is I have two pairs, okay? Because I have two pairs, anytime this gets dirty or something, or maybe I'm changing color, instead of being always totally without gloves, I will remove this and then remain with this. So even more, I wear an extra pair, because most times when I'm doing a project, unless it's a very complicated project, I'll end up wearing two like this, and then it's easy to remove this and be left with two pairs like that. And if then I wouldn't have used them, I'll just put them aside and wear them another day. So all I have to do is make sure this part is fully covered so that resin doesn't go through. So that's how I do my resin. I protect myself, and of course after that, wear your face mask. Let me show you mine. And then I wear this half mask or a full mask. I've listed them in the description below.